Hi, my name is Maria, and today I'm going to teach you guys flamingos. A flamingo is kind of like a smoothie, except you're rolling backwards and you're also carving it, and then you pivot out. Before learning flamingos, I suggest learning monster walks, endovers, smoothies, and being comfortable rolling backwards on one foot. So there's three things to focus on when learning a flamingo, and that's foot placement, shoulders, and heel to toe. Foot placement matters because if your foot is too far forward, when you go to try and pivot, your back wheels are going to come up and you won't be able to complete the flamingo. But if your foot is too far back, when you go to pivot, your board's not going to come up with you. You got to find that sweet spot. So I want to make sure my front foot is at an angle, so only one bolt is showing, and my back foot is square in the pocket of the tail. So the next part we'll focus on is the shoulders. The momentum of your shoulders winding up really helps with the carve. So you lead with your shoulders, and the rest of your body will follow. Really try and dip that front shoulder down. It helps keep your weight above your front foot rather than being back here or over here. You're going to want to stay above the front truck. So once you're rolling backwards, you're going to want to focus on pressing into your toe to get that carve. So once you have that 180-degree carve, switch your weight back to your heel to suck it under you, and then pivot out. Try to stay loose. Don't be too stiff. Be patient with yourself. Don't be afraid to roll with it. And let's see some more rolling tricks. Let's go fast.